Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Looker Studio with a BigQuery, okay? So all you need to do is go to your Looker Studio dashboard, come to the left-hand panel, click on Create, and then just click on Data Source. Now from here, choose BigQuery, okay? You'll see it under Google Connector, it should be among the first on the list. Click on BigQuery, then click on Authorize, okay? And then you should get a pop-up. You just need to go ahead and choose your Google account. So I'll just select this one right here. Make sure this is the one that is connected to your BigQuery. So as you can see right here, it's going to ask me to choose between my projects that I have. Okay, so I have two right here. Of course, what you can do is pick up public data sets as well and choose among those. Okay, you can just test these out. Let's say America Health Rankings, right? You can choose the tables. Click here at the top right and connect. Okay. And then you just wait for about a second. So this is the data set. We have record counts. This is the metrics. And it is the number type. Okay. Just come to the top right, click on Create Report. And then it will create a report using that data set. Click here on Add to Report. And there you go. You can see the data from BigQuery. Okay. If you want to add more, just come here at the bottom, click on Add Data, choose BigQuery, and then choose from any of your projects. Okay. And import that data. Just click on it. Use the data set. Click here on Add. Really that easy and simple.